Huawei is the brand that found itself in the middle of a storm. United States of America banned it for several reasons, and Google, which is the key thing in the Android ecosystem, also banned Huawei. Well, that was the time I still remember a lot of big players started saying one thing, that this is the end of Huawei as a brand, and they were also thinking the right thing on that times because nothing was in the favor of Huawei. A lot of big companies which were working with Huawei left the company behind. I know the times where Huawei didn't have enough sources to manufacture new smartphones. Even TSMC, which were making Huawei's current chipset, also left the company due to the major sanctions imposed by USA. And you know what is the worst thing that ever happened? Well, Huawei was also the biggest manufacturer of 5G technology. Like, Huawei was the biggest supplier, and due to the ban, United States of America urged European nations to ban Huawei from 5G components. But guys, despite several problems, Huawei stood firm and kept going. They didn't give up, and today is the day where a lot of European countries are saying that they can't left Huawei because if they left using Huawei's technology, they will get a huge loss, just like UK and London. Both are in a huge loss. Due to this, a lot of other European nations realized the potential of loss of leaving Huawei. So this is true that Huawei's 5G technology now counts as one of the best network solutions, which is why many European countries still prefer Huawei despite ban issues. Recently, a spokesperson from European Commission shed light on this matter and said that though different members have prohibited using Huawei and ZTE 5G technology in favor of the ban, but many countries have continued to use them. Even though more recently, a court located in the Central America suspended the elimination of Huawei from the 5G network equipment market. They seized many applications regarding suspension of Huawei from 5G network because they know that after complete ban on Huawei, they will be the first to bear the loss. So now, they cannot leave Huawei even though they wanted to leave. But Huawei's 5G solution is spreading like wildfire. On the other hand though, Huawei is now pretty stable and they are working on a lot of different products. They even made a brand new chipset and a lot of things are now on the way. So from now, I am expecting that the ban on Huawei and ZTE will soon be over, and you might see the Google services again on Huawei phones. So yeah, what lessons can we withdraw from their journey? Share your thoughts because as always, the story continues and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.